2018 saw a pretty big jump after a cold start to the year. We saw temperatures warm up pretty fast, setting records in May and severe weather starting pretty quickly. Here's a look at the climate for the first half of 2018. 2018 started with the coldest temperature of the winter on January 5th. The low got all the way down to 23 below. A blizzard came in on the 11th with winds gusting to near 50 miles per hour. But after that first cold spell, much of the month saw above average temperatures. That changed in February. It was one of the 20 coldest Februaries on record in Fargo. The first 12 days saw sub-zero lows and a whole foot of snow came down. That's 5 more inches than average. Even more snow came in March, 19 inches accumulated. That is the third highest March snowfall on record in Fargo. The biggest storm came in the last 2 days of the month. There were over 7 inches of snow in Fargo. The start of spring can see big differences in highs and lows. Temperatures in April ranged all the way from a low of 3 up to a high of 81. The sun came out more this month. More than 20 days saw sunshine. Snow lingered on, though, with another 3.8 inches falling in Fargo. May was the first month with no snow, but the month still had a cold start. The season's last freeze was on May 11th, but then summer weather set in quickly. May set 3 high temperature records in Fargo. The 24th, 25th, and 26th each reached the highest temperature on record that day. Severe weather season also kicked off. May 24th had the first hail report in Cavalier, and wind that day took off a roof in Crookston. May 30th had a tornado in Foster County. Severe weather continued in June. 9 days in Fargo had storms. Hail was reported again in Barnes County on June 5th, and then June had 3 different tornado events. Tower City and Emerado had twisters on June 8th. Tornadoes came to Towner County on the 14th, but the most in the month were on the 28th in Northwood, Twin Valley, Winger, and Erskine. July continued to see severe weather, and then as fall came around, temperatures took a dive. November saw more than half of its days below average. Later on, I'll have a look at the second half of the year and how we're looking for the start of 2019.